We are given the equation y to the power x equals x to the power y. And because both the base and the exponent contain variables, we first take the natural logarithm of both sides to simplify it. This allows us to bring the powers down and rewrite the equation as x times the natural log of y equals y times the natural log of x. Next, we differentiate both sides with respect to x, keeping in mind that y is a function of x, so we apply the product rule. The left side becomes natural log of y plus x divided by y times dy by dx, and the right side becomes natural log of x times dy by dx plus y divided by x. Now the derivative dy by dx is already visible, so we rearrange the terms to isolate it. After simplifying, we get the final result. Dy by dx equals y over x minus natural log of y, all divided by x over y minus the natural log of x, showing that even though the original equation looks symmetric, its derivative is not. Think you can tackle this derivative? Drop your answers in the comments. Got questions? Ask away. We love helping out. And don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more math challenges.